Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. Is Alivia Kartikasari from class 10 AE1, and in this video I want to review the lesson that have been taught during this autumn semester. In this autumn semester, we study description text and recontext. And first of all, I want to explain material about description text. Description text is a text that description a particular object in detail. In the next purpose of descriptive text is to description on object in detail. Test object can be people, animal, object, or some place. For example, description text about an animal. The next can contain various information about physical description, food, habitat, or orients, breeding, and relate unique facts. 3. Structure of descriptive text. The structure of descriptive text contains two parts, namely identification and description. The identification section contains an introduction to the object to be description. Example include what is object, or does the object come from. The description section contains a more specific explanation of the object being description. 4. Language feature of description text. The language feature of description text contain of 3, namely adjective, simple present tense, and adverb of frequency. Adjective is description text can be spared of adjective or adjective. When describing an object, we defaultly use adjective such as big, small, tall, smart, friendly, and soon. Example like Honey is so pretty. She has an oval face, around eyes, pointed nose, and long hair. She is smart and friendly. B. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is usually used to state facts or general truths as well as habits. When describing an object, we will use this type of tense because what we are describing about the object is a fact. C. Adverb of frequency. The adverb of frequency is a verb that is useful for showing how often an activity is carried out. Example: Heavy is a helpful and polite person. He often helps me to do my homework and always respect the elders. From this description, the author uses the adverb of frequency, namely often and always. That is description text material that I can get to. Next, I will explain the recount text material following the explanation. 1. What is meant by recount text? The description of recount text is a type of English text that retells event or event in the past. The story can be an active or activity before someone writes the text. 2. Purpose of recount text. There are five of recount text, namely 1. Provide information for readers. 2. Entertain readers. Reflect on something. 4. Document important experience. 5. Study story. Next, generic structure of recount text. There are 3 generic structure of recount text, namely orientation, in the from of, an introduction, series of events which contains a series of story, and reorientation, which provides a summary and ending of the entire content of story. Orientation is contains information about figures of character or character, location, time of in the incident. Third orientation is hope that readers can understand the author point of or storyline. B. Series of event. Event is event, while series mean a series. In this section, the author will write a series of events that they experience or contains a series of stories about the event that the author experienced. And let's reorientation is the author provides a summary and conclusion of the whole story, as well as telling the ending, like sad or happy. Can also add impression and message from the author to the readers. 4. Characteristic of recount text. Recount text has 2 main characteristics. Like 1. In recount text, there is not conflict in the story told by author, in contrast to English narrative text, which has conflict in this structure. B. There is always a chronological order of story. For example, there are stories on the first day, the second day, and soon. 5. Language feature of recount text. This aims to differentiate recount text from other types of text. There are 10 language features of recount text. 1. Using simple past tense. 2. Using specific participants. 3. using personal participan. 5 using action verb. 5 using linking verb. 6 using chronological connection or connective sequence. 7 using conjunction. 9 using adverb. 9 adverbial verbs. And let's using time continuous and sequence continuous. Next, various type of recount text. 1. Personal recount text. Personal recount text is a type of text that aims to tell about the reader's personal experience. 2. Factual recount text. Factual recount text is a story to present a report recording event that occurred based on fact. C. Imaginative recount text. Imaginative recount text is a text that some usually use as a story of a narrative event that someone explain experience. And last, historical recount text. Historical recount text is from recount text who contains tell history events. I finished explaining the material for this out semester. That all can say. More or less. Please forgive me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you guys.